Now, this one is quite a tricky question, but you can absolutely do it. But I know that if we were in class right now, you'd read it and you'd say, Miss, I can't do it. So we're going to walk it through slowly together. So in the afternoon, we've got arts and crafts, but we haven't got a finish time. Okay, so it says here, it gives us some clues, and we have to work out from the clues how long it's going to last for, okay? So the first clue says, the arts and crafts activity takes less time than the poetry workshop. So our poetry workshop is here, and it was 60 minutes. So we know that it's going to be less than 60 minutes, don't we? Oh, I've got my eye. 60 minutes. It takes more time than Meet the Author. Meet the Author was 54 minutes. So it's going to be longer than 54 minutes. Okay, when might it finish? So we don't know exactly here, do we? But we've got a rough. It's going to be somewhere between these two. So we know there's going to be anywhere. So if it starts at 14:45, well, first of all, we're going to add on this number. Okay, and that's going to be the minimum amount of time it could possibly be. All right, and then after we've done that, we're going to take this and we're going to add on this number, and that would be the maximum amount of time it would be. Okay, because it can't be that because that's too long. It can't be that because that's too short. So it's going to be somewhere in the middle, so we could have a few answers for this one. Okay, so if we're doing 14:45 plus 54 minutes, okay? So 14:45 plus 54 minutes. So what I'm going to do, sorry, let's plus 54 minutes. So let's go to 14. So remember, 14 is actually 2:45 p.m, isn't it? So there it is, 14:45. So the first thing I'm going to do is add on my 50 minutes, okay? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So it's now 3:35, and now I need to add on my 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the time is now 3:39. Okay, so the earliest possible time it could finish is 3:39. What I want you to do now is find out what the latest possible time it could finish. So remember, you're going to take 4:45 and add on 60 minutes. And that will be the maximum amount of time. So again, I want you to hit pause for me now if you can. I'll leave that the clock on the screen so you can use that if you want to. So hit pause, and when you're done, come back and check your answer. Okay, so I'm going to take it back to 2:45 because that was our start time. And maximum time it could have been was 60 minutes. I'm going to add an hour on. Now remember, I could count up in 60 minutes, couldn't I? 60 minutes, right? Yeah, 60 minutes. But I know that if I add an hour on, it's simply going to be an hour later. So all I'm going to do is move my hour hand along one. So it was 2:40, it's now 3:40. So if it was that one, it would be 3:40. Okay, so your answer would be, it could finish any time between 3:39 and 3:40.